Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that this event will be a stepping stone for SME in Solo to get recognition and interest from the European market. I trust that the business owners will be more passionate to keep learning and improving the quality of their products on the global market and be part of the world's supply chain. On this occasion, I would like to introduce batik, which is rich in stories and cultural values to the Europeans. I wish to see more people fall in love with batik as one of the UNESCO World Heritage. I hope that with the involvement from Indonesia,